anymore. What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Where are we? On camp.
4 days to get there and 3 days to come back home. And I found a guy. His name is Especial. That's me now. It was quite a day. You should have been there, James. It was like survival. Full survival mode.
You're right, James.
Yep.
You sure?
See now.
Which part of that caught you off guard? The part that he's gay or the part that he didn't kiss a chick at all? But has made out with one. Was that the one?
I don't know what's going on.
I don't know either anymore.
2-1.
Safety on.
Honestly, it didn't go bang. Look at
I didn't even hear it click.
Look.
Wow.
That's scary shit. Jesus. No igniter.
That's kind of. Let's throw it over there.
I think I'll put that over there.
Bang! You don't see that. That's a pretty rare thing.
I think I've seen that once in my life.
I've never seen that. I've heard about it, but I've never seen
Maybe
it.
I should have thrown it away. I don't think it would have hurt after.
No, it doesn't do anything if it doesn't go through a barrel. It's actually, they just go. Oh.
How's that go again?
7, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Yep.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Yep. Oh my! Forgot how loud that is. Holy!
Other hunters around here is like, yeah. It's like, what the fuck is he shooting?
I didn't know 30-06.
Well, we're rolling in.
Lots of mud. Had a couple stops. The time's passed. It's getting dark here already. Could be a good time. Every hole has water in it, which is pretty sweet. That over there is savage deep. Bring us to this side, maybe. This might be deep. There's a culvert in here somewhere.
John. Don't know where that one went.
I almost caught it.
It hit the roof.
There.
Yeah.
So that was a half a pound. We have 6 of those in that bucket over there.
It's gonna be a good time. Little bang.
What pail?
Did it hit the water that time?
Nope.
No. I was low to the left, big time.
Well, you're still too high.
Like I'd aim like 2 feet under your target and see how close it is on the water.
Oh.
Right in front of it.
So whatever you did, go up like a hair.
Yeah, you're, I
Go
think
up
you're
a
in the,
smidge from there.
in the middle.
Jesus, that was
Flirting with it now.
Yeah.
It's over
High again. High again.
Hit
Yeah.
the water.
Fucker!
6 rounds left.
I wasn't counting.
On a clip, please.
Shit.
70-cent battery. Let's go.
How much?
70%.
Oh, okay.
Yours, they hit the same spot as you did 2.
Yeah.
Your line is good.
Where were you aiming relative to the thing?
You're just above
Just
it there.
above.
That hit the.
Above and left.
Above and left, was it?
You hit the
above-
box.
above
Yeah.
and left.
You hit the box.
Can you see it? You're above it somewhere.
I think it's hard on the ears after a few.
You're way high.
High?
Yeah, you weren't low.
There's a water table and bush. You're not hitting the fucking water. So. Shit.
You're beside there. I seen the water trickle.
Right to the right, yeah, just to the
Yeah.
right.
It's to the right?
Like fucking nothing.
That was right above it. You were right above it there.
Well, we're on the last shell, boys.
Well, you were right above it.
That's the last shell you got?
Nah, this is the last shell. That sucks.
So should you like put it a little higher so you can hit it so we at least see a blow up?
Huh?
Should we put a little
Oh,
make the target
Yeah.
a bit bigger, make the target a bit bigger so you can hit it?
yeah, we could.
Get a wet butt. Did you get your butt wet?
Butt's wet.
Butt's wet. bombing out. You get some good footage for you guys. Tannerite was a bust. He hit it a bunch of times. Didn't look like he did, but he did. But he hit a little high where the Tannerite was not in the bottle. Unfortunate. So that kind of sucks. And then we ran out of shells. So it's not supposed to rain all day, I don't think, but we're prepared. Bog deep from hurt. Well, following along here. Nothing too exciting so far. Lots of water, but not so much fun. No one bike. Nice Defender cab. There's nice and dry and heat on. Yep. Where we are not dry with any heat on. Yep. All good. All good. This looks like a bit of a hole. Yeah. Not too deep. Not too deep. See what the beaver dam's like up here. Looks like it's put traffic through here, so this is about too deep, which is unfortunate. It would have been fun to see Johnny get soaking wet. I would have laughed. I smell skunk. No, different smell. I think someone's been smoking some chucker. It's legal in Canada, okay? It's fine. Oh yeah, it's no big deal here at all. All washed in. Here's where the beaver dam he made a crossing here. We busted her open last trip, but like it's just way down 2 feet anyway. Now it's up to that ridge there. No big deal. One spring we came through here, it was deep. Like it was over people's tracks. That was fun. That was a lot of fun. Johnny was shitting his pants. I think it's time for a drink. Where are we going? I need a tea. Woo. Where's Jamesy? Woo, wheelie. You had to go pee.
I did have to be really
So-
bad.
Huh?
Really bad, and then I gotta take 2 pairs of track pants off. And
That makes sense. He had to pee.
tree down.
Oh no.
Stack.
We're stuck. Good thing we got some trimming equipment. Boop. I think the bikes are getting too big for this trail. I mean, it's making it too easy. Woo. pretty sure. Well, James, you having fun?
Yeah, there's a lot of water here.
A lot of water.
Surprisingly.
We're getting into some more nastier trails. Having fun, Dirk? You having a good time? I'm having a good time. But do you know what time it is?
Tea time.
It is tea time. It is also time to end this video. It's long enough. We got some good footage. We got some drones. We got... Where is he going? Not sure. We got some guys shooting a gun and not hitting a target. Not Dirk, Johnny.
I didn't bring my guns.
He didn't bring his guns. Johnny did hit it, just not in the right spot. Right? That's where we're going through, right? Yeah.
No, he hit the cardboard, but I got
James is like, subscribe. Anyways, yes, very true. We'll catch you in the next one, which will start almost right away. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked it, subscribe.
and like it. It's just that easy to hit the little thumbs up at the bottom.
Yep.
Go.
That's it. That's all you gotta do. More people will see it. We'll fucking see you later.